This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. It features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.